Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to talk about the legendary Simpson shaving brushes. We're happy to have them here at our store and just give you a little brief history of them. They started in 1919 by Alexander Simpson. They've been based in London the entire time, though the original manufacturing plant was actually destroyed in the 1941 London Blitz during World War II. But they rebuilt and moved on. However, the brushes really haven't changed in the fashion in which they were made. They still have hand-formed knots, the same way it's always been done, and are kind of regarded as one of the best shaving brushes in the industry. Lots of different grades of badger, lots of different sizes and shapes of handles, but you can always be assured that a Simpson's brush is well packed, fairly dense, high quality hair, and is going to give a lathering and shaving experience like no other. So in 2007, the owner David Carter decided that he wanted to retire and he wanted to make sure that the brand stayed in Isle of Man and stayed true to its original form. So he searched and found that the Progress Volfix Limited company was doing brushes in the same kind of style, still doing it by hand, and decided to switch operations and sell it to them. And we can say that, you know, with all confidence, these brushes are made the exact same way as before. And I mean, it's hard to even tell the difference if you look at a vintage one from the 50s or 60s and one today, because they look identical. If you haven't already done so, give yourself a real treat and get a Simpson's brush and enjoy their wonderful shaving performance. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.